You open the drawer is helping to reduce the noise. Time to insert the one now. So before you insert, you have to take off the first part of the one now. You see the black little things. You put to one side. Yes, and take it off. Pull it out. Yep. Some of the one now, the end may be a bit too tight for putting into to the slot, so you need a screwdriver flathead to open just tiny little bit out. So to allow a little bit room, just a little bit room to get into the slot. After you prepare the all 6 runner, then time to put in the slot. And the front hook to the front hole there. And make sure you put it down. Now you got all 6 runner in, and then now we are going to show you how to insert and build up the drawer. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the drawer. You will need the tools to help you, just a hammer and flat screwdriver, and this toolbar is from the runner. We show you how to take off previously. Okay, these things, the drawer body, you can that is a left and right, and this is the front. You will see 2 holes there, right? That is the front. So that is the drawer front. And how you make the difference for the bar, left and right, because left and right is different. You see the head here, that is facing to the front, so to this way, right? And the hook, you need to find one when you're facing here. The hook here is open to upward. Okay? So this is for this side. So this one here for the other side. Now we can insert to the hole now. Okay, step 1, you will see this. We put everything ready. Now lift up the drawer. The drawer front facing to the top, the sky. Put the bar. Insert the back first to the hole. You may just hit it in a little bit because sometimes it's a bit tight. And which is allow the room to get in the hole, like the front hole. Easily. You may need a flathead screwdriver to help you to guide the front clip to the hole. After you done the insert the runner to the drawer body, then this is the front drawer. Drawer front. You will need to just double check here. Sometimes here maybe like squash it down a little bit. So make sure you have a little bit out. Bring it out a little bit, just tiny little bit. And the one side you can just open up wide to let the allowance for getting the drawer body. Now I'm going to show you how, and very easy after you follow me. Always do the straight like side first, because remember I said the other side, you see I flow it up. So do the straight side first. one side, put in the hole. You see this side, right? That is now, you see two pieces through that. You just use your finger to float it to the front. Same at the bottom, the top, okay? After you finish the left hand side, now it's time to the right hand side. And now just lift it up, the body. Alright, you see that through, and then use one finger. Just put the one slot back straight. After you put it in, then you same like the other side. Just float it after you know the thing is get into the hole. Then you can float it. Then top and the bottom as well. So don't forget the bottom. And now just put in the back. You see that? Just put in the slot and just hit it hard to the slot. It's two side and the bottom. So make sure all the slots are proper. After you set up the drawer and you see now we have to put it in. Bring the track out both sides and also lift the locking bar up, so which is lock. So you have to turn to the lock position. Then you see this thing go up before you putting the drawer in. Now holding the drawer front and the back and put in the slot one up. You see, like that. Hold that. Put one side and then do the other side. Okay, now it's almost halfway. Then make sure two sides, put it in evenly. And until you hear the click, one side, then you can go the other side again. Click. Then halfway, put it in, undo the lock. Then you can now push it in. After you put this first drawer in, then you make sure lock it again. So this thing go up, and then bring the check out. Prepare for the next one. Same procedure the other one. The first one we done. Make